PQNK, Natural Ecosystem Science for Production Agriculture. Eliminating replanting sugarcane through biomimicry of bamboo regeneration. PQNK, Cultivating Sustainable Tomorrow through Regenerative Agriculture. Revolutionizing sugarcane farming with PQNK, Nature's Way Sustainable, High Yielding, and Replanting Free. Welcome to a new era of sugarcane farming with PQNK, Natural Ecosystem Science for Production Agriculture. Inspired by nature's genius, PQNK mimics bamboo's endless regeneration to deliver high yields, with the option of multiple harvests per year, and no replanting. In this presentation, we will discover how this system transforms agriculture for farmers in the future. The problem with conventional sugarcane farming. Replanting every 3 to 4 years due to yield decline. Weak roots from stubble-based shoots, 8 to 10 inches below soil. Diseases like red rot, Colletotrichum falcatum. High water use, 1500 to 2500 m, and inputs, fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides. Single annual harvest limits yield potential. Conventional sugarcane farming struggles with low yields after a few ratoons, as shoots grow from weak stubble buried deep in soil. Diseases like red rot force replanting every 3 to 4 years. It uses tons of water and costly inputs, and a single yearly harvest caps production. There's a better way with PQNK. PQNK, Mimicking Nature's Genius. PQNK, Natural Ecosystem Science for Production Agriculture, mimics bamboo's regeneration. Shoots from roots/basal buds at soil level. Microbial-rich soil ecosystem. Selective harvesting of mature stalks for multiple yields/year. Inspired by nature's 400 million year balance. PQNK transforms sugarcane farming by mimicking bamboo's endless regeneration. Shoots grow from roots or basal buds at the soil surface, not weak stubble. A microbial-rich soil supports plants, and selective harvesting, like bamboo, allows multiple harvests yearly. It's nature's 400 million year wisdom at work. How PQNK works. Breaking hardpan. Raised beds, 42 inches wide, 8 to 10 inches high, with furrows. Janter cover crop and mulch for soil health. Transplant nursery plants in the middle of the beds at 4-foot intervals. Cut mother shoots at 1 to 2 feet to stimulate tillering and have unformed sugarcane stalks. However, if multiple harvests are planned, mother shoots shouldn't be cut. Lateral irrigation, up to 90% water savings. Selective harvesting of mature stalks at soil level for multiple harvests per year, if so desired. Mulch trash to support microbes. PQNK uses raised beds and furrows to keep soil healthy. Janter cover crops and mulch maintain moderate soil temperatures and restrict water evaporation and also feed microbes. We transplant nursery plants, cut mother shoots to boost tillering for 1 crop per year, and use water-saving lateral irrigation feeding through photos by siphon tubes. Like bamboo, we may selectively harvest mature stalks at soil level multiple times a year, mulching trash to sustain growth. Ecological mechanisms. Nature's provision, microbes, Azotobacter, Trichoderma, convert minerals to nutrients. Nature's protection, Bt-like organisms, Pseudomonas fluorescens control pests/diseases. Healthy plants resist recycling, pests/diseases target weak plants. No red rot appears even after many harvests. PQNK taps nature's genius. Microbes like Azotobacter and Trichoderma convert minerals and cycle nutrients, feeding plants without fertilizers. Bt-like organisms and Pseudomonas control pests and diseases, keeping sugarcane strong. Healthy plants resist nature's recycling system, which targets only weak plants. PQNK plantations had no red rot across harvests. Results from PQNK plantations across many farmers and regions. Yield, 80 to 120 tons per acre 20 plus stalks/plant, 2 to 5 kilograms each. Multiple harvests/year via selective cutting. No replanting. No red rot or significant diseases. 90% water savings. 2% higher sugar recovery 12 to 14% versus 10 to 12%. No lodging due to robust roots. PQNK plantation across many farmers and regions achieved 80 to 120 tons per acre with 20 plus stalks per plant, boosted by multiple harvests yearly through selective cutting. No replanting is needed without yield drop, no red rot, 90% less water, and 2% higher sugar recovery. Strong roots prevented lodging, showing PQNK's transformative potential. Benefits and scalability. Economic, no replanting, minimal inputs, higher yields via single or multiple harvests. Environmental, 90% water savings, improved soil health. Scalability, train farmers, mechanized transplantation. Challenge, long-term genetic vigor, 20 to 30 years. Solution, periodic nursery plant introduction. PQNK cuts costs by eliminating replanting and inputs, while multiple harvests boost yields. It saves 90% water and improves soil health, benefiting the planet. Scaling up is easy with farmer training and mechanized planting. A possible challenge, genetic decline after decades, can be solved by introducing new nursery plants. Adopt PQNK for sustainable sugarcane farming. Start small, master techniques, then scale up. Join PQNK groups on WhatsApp. Transform agriculture with nature's 400 million year wisdom. Transform sugarcane farming with PQNK. Start small, master selective harvesting and other techniques, then scale up for big rewards. Connect with Paedar, developers of PQNK, Natural Ecosystem Science for Production Agriculture through the above written email or PQNK practitioners to begin. Let's harness nature's 400 million year wisdom for a sustainable future.